start on my makeup, I'm going to prime my skin using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Primer. Using my clean hands, I'm going to apply it all over my face. So guys, for foundation, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 362. I use this foundation brush and apply the foundation all over my face. I know it's kind of darker, but it does work. I think I should be using this shade of foundation so I don't have to do lots of powder contouring. It would come out right, I think. So I just apply the foundation all over my face, my forehead area, under my eyes, my chin, all of my face, even on the corners of my face. This shade of foundation goes better with my neck and shoulder area. Concealer, I'm going to be using the Zikel Second Skin Concealer in the shade Honey. I'm going to use it to highlight my under eye area right here. I would extend it to my forehead area and also to the bridge of my nose. My cupid's bow, the sides of my lips, my chin, and my other under eye area. Okay, now after applying the concealer in, I'm going to blend it out using a damp beauty blender sponge. So to set the highlighted parts of my face, I'm using Colourpop No Filter Setting Powder in Banana. I'll use a cosmetic wedge to apply the setting powder. I'm applying it to the parts of my face which I highlighted, such as my under eye area, the bridge of my nose, my forehead area, my chin, my cupid's bow. So guys, to warm up my complexion, I'm going to use the Early Pride contouring palette right here. I'll use this one right here just to set the other parts of my face. Just pressing on the powder. And I would also use same powder to define the sides of my nose. I also define, like, contour my cheekbone area, and I'm going to use this darkest powder, the darkest powder in this palette. Still using this pointed powder brush. Just going to apply the contours directly under my cheekbone area and take it up to like my hairline area right here. And I just extending it a bit towards like my lips area. I'll just dust up the excess powder on the other parts, the parts of my face which I highlighted. But I'll leave the one on my under eye area because that is going to help catch any eyeshadow that falls off from my face when I'm doing my eyeshadow look. So I'll quickly do my brows and we'll continue with the makeup look. Move over to applying eyeshadow. Alright, so my eyeshadow, I'm using ENL Beauty, the Divine Eyeshadow Palette. This palette right here. Not sure of what colors to use, but so I'm gonna start out with this eyeshadow right here as my transition color. This one named Fit. I'm also using ENL BEAUTY 2-in-1 eyeshadow brush, the blending side, to apply it. I just blended it on just the upper area of my crease right here. Next, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow right here named Shayo. I'm gonna use it just directly underneath the orange eyeshadow, just right here. I'm just blending those eyeshadows on my outer V area. I'm not extending it towards my inner eye area, just the outer V area. So I'll go back to the orange eyeshadow and just redefine it. It's not lost. Yes. As for the beginning of my eyelids, I'm gonna use this eyeshadow right here named Rimmel. This one right, flat side of the brush, to apply it to my eyelids. So I just extend it to my lower lash line as well. So I went back to the orange eyeshadow and just blended it above a bit. Ensure that this area looks clean. I'm gonna go in with this brush and just blend this place here. So I'll go back to the Shire shade. Just re-emphasize it. So for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna use the same colors which I used on my outer V area. That's on my crease area / outer V area. Repeat same for my bottom lash line with the Shire shade. So guys, for this look, I want to use a liquid eyeliner, and I'm using one from Hengfang. Almost done with my eyes, just my lashes left. I'm gonna link a detailed eyelash tutorial just up right now. For my mascara, I'm gonna use ENL BEAUTY Volumizing mascara for my lashes. This is to help my natural lashes blend in with the false lashes really well, so it's not obvious, and add volume to it too. Make it look fuller. I like to use my hands to go over my lashes after applying the mascara to avoid stains. You can use a Q-tip. So guys, for my waterline, I'm using Mabuk Extremely Soft Eyeliner Pencil. I'm just going to apply it to my waterline area. Right here. I should have done this before applying my mascara, but yeah. Dust off any fallout I have from my under eye. I'm going back to this palette right here, and I'm going to use this powder here, which is the lightest one. I just mix the two of them, then I'll use it to dust off any fallen eyeshadow or whatever I might just have on my under eye area, or probably even the excess powder from the baking. Just dust. Yeah. Guys, to highlight, I'm going to use highlighters from this palette right here, which is the same powder palette which I used earlier. I'm going to use this one here to highlight the tip of my nose right here, and also this point right here that is in between my eye area, and also my cupid's bow. I would also highlight my brow bone slightly. In a minute since I did this. I use a fan brush to highlight my cheekbone. So guys, for my lips, I'm using ENL BEAUTY lip liner named Coffee. No, I'm using ENL BEAUTY Witty lip liner. Just gonna use it to line my lips. I'm laying emphasis on my cupid's bow area by just lining it well. Then after I'm done lining my lips, I smacked my lips together and used the head of the lip liner to help blend the lip liner in really well. So guys, for my lipstick, I'm using ENL BEAUTY velvet liquid lipstick named Moyo. I'm just gonna apply it to the bottom of my lips right here. And just transfer it to the upper part of my lips by just smacking my lips together. Yeah. So I went in with my foundation and I'm using it to define the sides of my lips using the angle brush. After doing that, I blended it in and set that part of my face. So guys, this is the finished makeup look. If you enjoyed watching this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, and please support me by subscribing to this channel if you are not subscribed, and also turn on the post notification bell just right beside the subscribe button so you know when I upload a new video to our channel. So remember, be bold, have courage, live a positive life. I love you. Bye guys.